Common, what up, fam?
What up, G? How you been, man?
Man, been great, man. How you doing, man?
Oh, man, life is wonderful, man. Life is wonderful. I'm down here at ATL, like, filming this movie, but man, the music, oh, my God, you gotta hear this album.
All right, well, let's talk about it, man. What you got cooking, man? Let the city know.
Oh, man, look, shot down. Hey, everybody out there in the shot, yo, I'm coming with one of the greatest albums y'all heard, called Nobody Smiling. It's coming out July 22nd. The single is called Kingdom, and, man, it's featuring Vince Staples. And this music I made for the city, y'all. I made it for the crib. Like, I got inspired. That's where that title, Nobody Smiling, came from, because I was talking about all that's been going on in the shop. So, but it's a call to action more than it is let's stay like that. I'm saying, man, we gonna change it. We gonna change it through the music. We gonna change it through the activism. We gonna change it just by being in tune with the people. So that's what this album is.
That's what it is, man. When you say it's coming?
It's coming July 22nd. The whole album produced by No ID. I'm on his label Artium on Def Jam, which is incredible. That's the whole like another level for me. I'm like
right
about that. But on the album I got Lil Herb, I got Dreezy on there. My man Malik Youssef did some work on there.
Okay.
Nay Aiko, Big Sean. But, man, it's about the music, man. I think me and OID made something that we had never made before, man. But it's got that spirit of what B was and what Resurrection was.
Okay.
Something new to it.
Oh, man, I'm excited to hear about it. I know you got the single out with Dreezy. You just mentioned her, the No Good joint.
Yeah, man. Hey, Dreezy, man, she came and snapped, man. I love her raps. I love her style. And, like, man, point blank, when I heard her rhyming, I was like, man, this girl is cold. I can't wait for the world to hear her. So I was glad to be on the single No Good with her. We got that popping off. But then, I got her on the album, too, on the song called She Hustle Harder.
Okay.
So it's like, we just connected. For me, this album is a way for me. I want to give back, like, to the side, just to where I come from, point blank. That's just, it's like the album covers. I got to tell you, the album covers, I got different artists from the shot on the album covers. It's like this whole concept. I'm on one cover, but then another cover with Lil Herb, it's another cover with King Louis, another cover. Like, that's how, that's where I'm at with it.
Wow. That's dope, man. What about videos? You shot any videos for it yet?
Yeah, the video's premiering Monday, shot by Hype Williams. It's all throughout the shot. It's crazy, too. The video is crazy. Shout out to everybody who supported the video while we was going, because we went from the Family Den to over the Hells on State to, we was everywhere, man. And Hype just, man, he shot it like a movie, man. It's almost like Belly, it's a short film, bro. It's dope. Man,
Hype Williams, fam, for real, that's dope, man. I can't wait to see that, man. You say it's debuting on Monday?
Yeah, it's debuting on Monday. It'll be out on the internet and then on different channels right after that. And the song Kingdom will be on iTunes on Tuesday. So, and the album July 22nd. It's been the most charged I've been about music in a long time. So I can't wait for everybody at the crib to hear, for everybody in the world to hear.
Man, there it is, man. Talking to Chicago's own, man, the homie Common. It's always a pleasure hearing from you, man, especially, you know what I'm saying, you doing good and you're making the city look good amongst a lot of the negative energy that's going on right now, man. Can you speak on that, man? Can you talk to our shorties, man? Can you talk to the city real quick on how they should put the guns down, man, and just let's have peace and have fun, man. That's what the city is about.
Yeah, well, I gotta say, I know we going through some tough times with people, it's just tough in the city, but man, it's like this, at this moment right now is the time where we gotta change it. Like, this is the time where we like, man, if you want to achieve something in life, get something, get money, have a good life, and man, you can't even be going around shooting at each other, killing each other, man. We gotta respect our lives more, man, because we gotta look at the next person and see yourself in that person. That's what I'm on like. And I'm like, man, anybody you see successful out there, ain't nobody out there that's just really getting money out there trying to be shooting somebody and taking somebody off the earth. They focus on what they got to do. So I'm just telling you, man, focus on what you got to do. Think of when you're going through them times where you feel like, man, I might go out there and just go at somebody wild, man. Think about what you want for your future. Think about, man, where you want your life to be. And I know don't nobody want to be dead. Don't nobody want to be in jail. So, man, live for something. Live for something that's worth living for.
That's what it is. On that note, man, I appreciate you calling. Go ahead, give them the title of the album coming out, the date, man. Go run that again for the city one time.
Hey, yo, everybody in the shop, everybody at the crib, yo, Nobody Smiling is coming out July 22nd. No ID produced the whole album. It's hip-hop at its best. Street music. Got Lil Herb on it, Dreezy. It got Malik Youssef and incredible others from Janae Aiko to Big Sean. And shout out to all the artists, even from the crib that ain't even on the album, man. I got to shout out like Lil Bibby and Dirk and you know, everybody out there, man, is just doing their thing in the crib. I just want to give love to them.
That's what it is, man. I appreciate it all the time, Common. When you get to the crib with the album, man, you know we got to touch down. You got to come by the studio, fam.
Oh, for sure. I'm definitely going to touch down. Hey, rock that kingdom. Let them know what it is.
There it is, man. I appreciate you calling, boy.
No, Shaq. Stay up.
You too, fam.